Can you solve this type of equation within 3 seconds? Please write down in the comments the answer you got. Okay, so to solve this type of equation, we can see we have parentheses, we have exponents, we have division, and we have multiplication. Therefore, to solve it, we must follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. In this case, we must do always first the parentheses, so we'll do this. At second place, we do the exponents. Third place, we'll do multiplication and division from left to right, so we'll do from left to right, multiplication and division, and in the fourth place, we do addition and subtraction, if we have it. Therefore, what we get is first we do what's inside the parentheses, so we get 6 divided by 3, 2 plus 1 square is 3 square, and it's multiplied by 9. Then what we get, 6 divided by 3 is 2, multiplied by 9, and is equal to 18. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.